go. There's some baby birds up there. And our two Thomas women is trying to do something about it. I don't know why.
You know that, right, Tony? You can't touch it. Because the mama's not going to come back.
They're not gonna fall.
They kind of rusty now.
I don't know what you're going to do with that. I don't see a way to go.
Right.
You're just going to figure it out.
I think if you put that somebody was like,
Wait, well, they understand her vision? Not at all. Not at all. But they know they gotta do something. They don't know what, but they gotta do something.
Because they're not going to survive without them, you know, birds.
They're fine. I mean, they know they're staying in the nest. I mean, they've been here.
Because birds can't survive in the nest. And this natural park ain't supposed to interfere.
Hey, have y'all ever thought that... Excuse me. Have y'all ever thought that they might not fall out the nest? And they might be fine?
I mean, the mama secured that, you know, they was eggs first.
I think they know how to stay in the nest.
First, and they survived. Winter.
I'm just saying. I could be wrong.
Man.
The circle of life. The circle of life. Y'all giving up? I can turn this off now?
She was recording.
You giving
That's
up?
your child.
Absolutely.
That's
I'm
your
ready.
child.
I'm ready. When the Thomas women get together, you pull your phones out.
I ain't laughing.
I'm just saying. Y'all are entertaining. Y'all are entertaining. Oh, we done? Okay.